How's it going, everybody? Welcome to yet another video of NUA, and today we'll be exploring something far more exciting about Jetson Nano. Up until now, NUA has been known for conducting meetups with some startups and in fact with support from Nvidia based on Jetson Nano, but we didn't work on any live projects. And truth to be told, all thanks to the Jetson hackathon by Hackster.io and Nvidia just recently, 3 members from our community, namely myself, Amlan, Suman and Mugang, we worked together to create one amazing project. So what it is basically? It is Jetvengers base, Jetvengers HQ, powered by AI and IoT with Jetson Nano. So what it does basically, in general, when we talked about artificial intelligence and Internet of Things together, this, as you can imagine, this is the prototype house, and here we are only going to allow only action figures of the Marvel universe. Who is your favorite? Mine is Captain America. And it is not, it is not open to the characters from DC, say Batman. So we'll be going into in depth, we'll be going across more details. So now you see that the OpenCV stream capture is
Welcome,
on.
Mr. Stark, and we all love you 3000.
Okay, what just happened is it tried to identify Iron Man is an Avenger or not, and that returned a true. So it greeted with a voice message, and followed by that the sliding door opened automatically. That's the IoT part, AI plus IoT. Okay, so next it is Ant-Man's turn.
Welcome, Ant-Man. However, you don't need a door to come inside.
Okay, see, identification, AI, sliding door, IoT. So there is a motor that is driving this. So basically we just one small information. How did we deploy this model with Jetson Nano? We have to make it compatible. Since it was trained with PyTorch, you have to make it compatible with TensorRT, which is the so the champion inference library of Nvidia, and you have to convert your PyTorch model to TensorRT. So how do you do it? There is this module called Torch to TRT, PyTorch to TRT. So you have to install it, and it's very easy. We'll mention the guide for that in Hackster.io. It's already available in our blog. The link is there in the description.
Sorry, Mr. Bruce Wayne, you are not allowed in this Marvel universe. And yes, we know that you are the Batman.
So you saw what happened?
Sorry, Mr. Bruce Wayne, you are not allowed in this Marvel universe. And yes, we know that you are the Batman.
Yep. Batman is not allowed because Batman is a DC character. The door did not open. The voice assistant just said that Mr. Bruce Wayne, you are not allowed. That's it. Next, this is Hulk's turn.
Welcome, Incredible Hulk. Please don't smash in here.
Mr. Hulk, don't smash anything. It's fine. So next it is our dearest Mr. Captain America. Alright, the confidence values are a bit low. We'll try to arrange the action figure a bit.
Welcome, Captain. Director Nick Fury was expecting you.
Director Nick Fury is expecting you with his cat, Captain. Okay. So you saw the working of the model, the AI plus the Internet of Things part, how this is happening, the sliding door. This was just like an example. So now we'll get to know from our dearest Suman. We'll get to see the inside part of the house. So Mr. Suman, all yours.
Hello everyone, so what you can see here is the inside of our Jetvengers house. So the sliding door mechanism is actually based on the rack and pinion method, and our pinion is connected to the DC motor. This DC motor is a Johnson DC motor with the RPM rating of 200, and it is connected to a motor driver L298N, which is connected to the GPIO pins of our Jetson Nano.
So, Suman, I have one question. So, the rack that you designed with the teeth shape, you 3D printed it?
No, Amlan, it's not 3D printed. Actually, what happens in the gear system is, particularly in this gear system, it's in a 2:1 ratio to the teeth counts.
Okay.
And it is not 3D printed. This is laser cut to an acrylic board.
Oh, awesome. How much time does this process take to design, cut, and
Designing part is little bit of lengthy, but cutting part it takes hardly 2 minutes. That's it.
oh?
But our machine learning is going to detect faster than it. So now we will see it in a working from the inside. Now we will see the model working from the inside.
Welcome, Ant-Man. However, you don't need a door to come inside.
That was amazing. This started like, I wanted to build a face recognition system with Jetson Nano with a sliding door, but again, yeah, that was not feasible, right? That's why, I discussed with some of my friends, and we came up with this Avengers concept. Like, let's build a small prototype house that accepts only Marvel superheroes and, no for DC. And yeah, that's how it is. All thanks to the Hackster.io challenge, me, Mrugank, and Suman pushed ourselves to make this dream turn into a reality, and here it is magical. Yeah, it looks like a simple project, but let me tell you, it was so much difficult to get things up and running. Our Nano crashed, and sometimes due to our fault, and yeah, but we didn't give up. We submitted our project on time, and do check our blog on Hackster.io regarding the project, how we made it. It's detailed, and you will really have fun reading it. And this is not the end. Definitely we'll build more projects with Jetson Nano, and they're coming up soon. And if you have any feedback, do share with us. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.